In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide navigation in Google Site. If your pages' names are cluttering the top of your site or you want a clean, minimal header, you can tuck all those links into a simple side menu. This approach keeps your design focused while still letting visitors reach every page through a neat, collapsible list. Start by opening your Google Site in edit mode. Make sure you're looking at the editor, not the published view. You should see the top toolbar with options like Insert and Pages, which confirms you're in the right place. Next, look to the top right corner for the gear icon, which is the Settings button. Click it, and from the panel that opens, select Navigation. This is where you control how your site's menu appears. In the navigation settings, choose Side Navigation. The moment you do this, Google Sites moves your page links out of the header and into a sidebar that opens from a menu icon. Practically speaking, that hides the page names from the top of your site and replaces them with a clean header and a compact menu button. Visitors can still access every page, but the names won't be stretched across the top bar. A quick tip, use the preview button to see exactly how this looks for your audience. On desktop screens, you'll notice a hamburger menu icon that slides out the page list. On mobile, this layout feels especially natural and gives you more room for your logo and header image. If you use nested pages, the side menu groups them neatly, reducing clutter while keeping your structure clear. To keep navigation intuitive, make sure your page titles are short and descriptive, since they will appear inside that menu. Another tip, confirm that your site title or logo remains visible in the header. With the navigation moved aside, those elements do more of the work guiding visitors, so consistency helps. If you ever want to show page names across the top again, simply return to Settings, open Navigation, and switch back to the top layout. Your content won't change, only how visitors access it. One last note, changes you make in edit mode appear for visitors only after you publish, so preview first and then publish when you're satisfied. Also, check contrast and readability around the menu icon and header to keep your site accessible. That's all there is to it. By switching to side navigation in Google Sites, you hide page names from the header, keep your design clean, and still offer clear access to every page.